Let's do a walkthrough of the circulatory system Gizmo in Explore Learning. We have the website loaded and we can click on Launch. We now have a schematic of the human circulatory system. Make sure the Show Label and Show Blood Flow checkboxes are enabled so we can see the words on the page. You will notice that the heart has been labeled for you, the right atrium, the right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. The blood vessels, however, are not labeled for you. You do need to know those. So for example, in the blue blood vessel leading away from the heart towards the lung, that will be the pulmonary artery. In the red blood vessel coming from the lung back towards the heart, that would be the pulmonary vein. Similarly, from the left side of the heart, the major blood vessel leading out of it is the aorta. Branching off from the aorta is the brachial artery, which goes to the arm. Coming back from the arm is the brachial vein. The brachial vein joins with other veins into the superior vena cava. These blood vessels will be important as you make your way through the Gizmo assignment. Looking at the aorta again, you can see that it goes down and towards your body. Heading to your liver, this is your hepatic artery, and then leaving your liver is your hepatic vein. Similarly, leading to your kidney is the renal artery, and leading away from your kidneys is your renal vein. You'll notice as well a series of blood vessels leading into and out of the intestine. This is the intestinal artery, and this is the intestinal vein. For our purposes, we don't need to know why the intestinal veins leads directly to the liver and not into the inferior vena cava. In your simulation, in your Gizmo assignment, you need to take the syringe and place it into different parts of the circulatory system. You can place a syringe in any one of these green dots, and it will show you what the oxygen, carbon dioxide, blood sugar, and urea concentration in that part of the circulatory system is like. Make sure you record these values in the appropriate place in your worksheet. Once you're done from one particular section, you can move it to another section. Your assignment will require you to observe or take note of many of these data points and to complete a graph. Lastly, you can see there is a microscopic view of the blood, in this case, drawn from the pulmonary vein. You can pause the video or the animation by clicking on the camera icon. Then you can copy this image into your assignment and note the different components of blood. You can see there are red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.